So what is up, guys? Nick here. Let's go ahead and show you how to reset your frozen Apple Watch. Now, this is an Apple Watch Series 11, but it should work on pretty much any Apple Watch. So we're going to go ahead. You see right here on the right, there's going to be a power button and a crown. Now, on Apple Watch Ultras, you'll find an action button. We don't need that button. Let's just hold both of them like this, and we're going to keep holding them for about 10 seconds. Keep holding them. Don't worry about what the screen does until you see an Apple logo. So let's keep holding. We're going to keep holding. And there it is. Once you see the Apple logo, you could release the buttons and it should boot back up. So give it a second. We're going to wait for it to boot back up and then we'll be right into our Apple Watch. So don't panic. If you are frozen, that is a solution. That is what's going to fix your problem. Now, if you still have problems and that's not working, we'll talk about how to fix that in a separate video. But this is how to force restart and reset the frozen Apple Watch. So you'll see we're about to be booted right back up here in a second. And here we go. We're back in the Apple Watch. Make sure you put in your passcode if needed and go ahead and scroll through a bit. Make sure everything is back functional. And let me know if this video helped you out to get your frozen Apple Watch reset. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll catch you all in my next how-to tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Nick here. Be sure to be well and peace.